I'm Kristy Logan with Westwind Honda, and this is our Feature Friday. So we had a couple questions on the remote start. We're gonna do our remote start on the 2022 Honda CR-V. So this is the Honda remote fob. All of them are the same. They're built in the same. This is only applicable to Hondas that have remote start built into the fob. The fob will work up to 100 feet away from the vehicle as long as it's unobstructed. If there's buildings or anything in the way, it might be a closer range. Perfect. So how we're going to use the system now is we're going to lock it once. You'll see the light shine. We're going to hold the circle button for about 5 seconds. It'll blink once, and then it will start, and it will blink again to let you know that your car is running. After the car is started, this feature will run for 10 minutes. If you don't think you're leaving in time and you want to run it twice, as soon as your 10 minutes are up, you can do it again. If it is minus 40 out and you just want to run your car for a bit, after you do your 2 cycles of 10 minutes each, all you have to do is open your door. You don't have to come out and lock it. You just have to open the door, shut it again, and your 2 cycles will start all over again. Vehicle is running now. If you are not going to leave and you want to stop it right from the fob, all you do is hit the fob again, the circle, hold it, and it shuts right off. After your vehicle is auto started, in the cab of the vehicle, if it is wintertime, it'll bring the car to 21 degrees. Set up all your defrost and everything and have that going for you. In the summer, when it's warmer out, it'll use the air conditioning and set that to 21 for cool air to cool the inside of the vehicle off. So now that your vehicle's auto started and we're ready to go, just hop in your vehicle, get comfy, touch your brake, and hit the start button. Now your vehicle's running normally, all your air and everything is on. I'm Kristy Logan. Thanks for joining me for Feature Friday on how to remote start your Honda.